Hi. I'm here to talk to you about in-home daycare, how to start a daycare from the comfort of your home. With more and more parents opting to stay out of the workforce to raise children, interest in starting a home daycare has increased significantly, and it's no wonder. An at-home daycare allows parents the freedom of setting their own hours, being with their child all day and ideally making money in the process. However, parents beware, starting a home daycare is a long, expensive and often complicated undertaking, fraught with red tape and endless minutiae. That being said, for those willing to make the necessary sacrifices, a home daycare truly can provide the stuff of many parents' dreams, a source of income, a sense of freedom and a chance to watch their child grow up. Getting started. First, make a call to the local Department of Family and Children's Services to apply for a license. The application process can take several months and applicants can expect to undergo background checks, home inspections, fingerprinting and other close scrutiny. Most states also require potential home daycare owners to have training and/or certification in CPR, first aid, sanitation, child development and nutrition. Ironing out the details. Assuming the application is approved, it's time to begin establishing policies and procedures. In other words, how will the business be run? What hours will the daycare be open? How many children will be accepted? How much will be charged? What will the curriculum be? Preparing the home. Creating a totally child-friendly environment is a daunting task. Anyone with a child knows that kids can find trouble just about anywhere, but it's up to the daycare owner to minimize risk and maximize safety. A few things to consider when child-proofing the home. Cover all electrical outlets with child-proof covers. Remove or place out of reach all sharp objects, medicines and household chemicals. Get child-proof doorknobs to keep children out of potentially dangerous areas of the home. 4. Use stair gates and window guards. 5. Place soft guards on sharp furniture edges. Running the business. Home daycares can be fun and lucrative, but they're still businesses and should be treated as such. Set up a separate bank account for business-related expenses, consult an accountant to address tax issues, make sure a solid insurance policy is in place, in case of injury and always keep good records. Although it requires hard work and a lot of energy, a home daycare can be a richly rewarding experience, with a little creativity, a lot of preparation and a relaxed, welcoming environment. Success is just a diaper change or an afternoon nap away. To help you even further in making your daycare a successful one, check out the Daycare Authority website today. Click the link below this video, where you see the published or description box now. Hope you found it useful. For more information please click the link in description.